see some bridges that will be taken care of. See, everything is now okay. Now all the connections are perfect. I'm soldering this first before the clip to the what's it called? They hold it down to the motherboard. Why I'm doing that because I have some paste already on the connection that will definitely lift up the charging port. So that's why I first of all have to put this down to get everything stable, everything together. Now, so for the fact that the charging port is a bit up higher, I can now turn the motherboard and get it pressed down before applying paste. I mean soldering lead. And let me just apply a little paste around it. Get some soldering lead on my soldering iron. Then press it down a bit. Press the motherboard down a bit, and then apply also have the little side will also clip down. Okay. Now I'm done with the soldering. Okay. I also need to clean this place also to make sure everything is perfectly soldered and clean up the can see the paste from down gets to up here. So I need to apply a little paste up here too, little bit of so that to complete this part of it. Okay. So how everything stood out as expected. So everything now is perfectly okay. This is what I call apply some kind of heat to dry up the alcohol, and that's fine. Look at how clean it is. So I can comment the test. Okay. Now you can see this is a sign that it's charging. This is without battery, without other components. You can see the sign of voltage 0.1. 0.1. It means the motherboard have received a current. So let's now we can now continue with the installation. The motherboard to the let's comment the installation. Let's continue with the installation now. Just 1 minute. Okay, now let's continue with the installation. Coupling of the motherboard. First of all, the two black screws go here. I think there are two black screws here. Where is the other black screw? Okay, here is it. No. Where is the other black screw? Okay. My screwdriver have it. Okay. This is the other black screw. Okay. Now to the back cover. Now to the back cover. Then I will need to screw the phone for placing the screen. the screw need to go down perfectly, else I have the screen broken. I want to go down. Oh, wow. Okay, I'll get the exact screw. I have exactly the screw. The exact one, not Samsung phone has different kind of screw, but this is the exact one. You must go together, if not, you don't. So. Okay, now I'm done with that. I need to now install the screen back. For the fact that I have some paste and some the gum that comes with it, a very light one. What I will need to do, I will need to apply this lightly. This what's it called? B7, BT700,000. BT7,000. I'll just apply it a bit, not much, because we want to fix it again next time, so we don't have much difficult of it. The fact that we still have just like that. Okay. And where is my? Okay, I need to remove more. Reduce the gum from this part. Reduce the gum on this part. Just want it light so that it will be easier to remove again next time if any other problem occurs. And now this is the sensor. From the screen sensor, there's no stain. From the camera, there's a little stain because you need to make sure the sensor is clean. But this is the camera's part, is clean. When you close it without checking it, you might have sensor problem. The sensor will not work well if any dust or anything is blocking it. Okay, now I'm installing the screen. Okay, now I have the screen installed, and this is the screen protector. The screen clip protector. You can see, and lay the screen on motherboard. Yeah. and that will be off. Okay. Now I have to place the SIM card slots, a memory card, SIM card and memory card slots. And now we need to test again, of which I'm very sure 100% that everything is okay, but I need to test it for you to see if it's working now or not. Now you can see, this is the charging. You see now we have 1.1 amps. 1.1 amps, that will say it's charging perfectly, and here is the phone. This is the phone, is charging. You know, the battery was very low, so say the next 1 or 2 3 minutes, let's say 5 minutes, you see it counting. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. That was 1.1 amp. It means it's charging, and you have seen it now, it's charging. In the next 5 minutes you see it counting. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share. If you have any comments, if you have anything to say, you can, any question to ask, drop that in the comment section. Thank you very much. Okay, so bye for now.